Start in a plank position with the kettlebell to one side of your torso. Reach under your body with the opposite arm and grab the kettlebell. While maintaining your plank position, pull or drag the kettlebell across the floor to the other side. Doing the same with the opposing arm while maintaining your position as best as possible. Repeat with good form through programmed reps. The Cross Body Kettlebell Plank is a dynamic core exercise that soups up the plank and gets our obliques involved. We're gonna get down here in a plank position. I've got my kettlebell to the side. Let's get into it. The Cross Body Kettlebell Plank is a very dynamic core exercise. Katie's doing an amazing job keeping her plank position while she uses her obliques to stabilize herself and pull that kettlebell across. You can pick it up or you can drag it across. Either way, the wider your range of motion, the better the activation in your obliques. See if you can kick it out a little further. Ready? Oh yeah, there it is. Nice job. Excellent work, Katie.